Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching. If you are new to my channel, hello, my name is Culture. This is my channel here on YouTube called Pretty Casual. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like watching beauty, fashion, lifestyle, mom life, fitness, nutrition, all that stuff is available on my channel with a lot more to come. I hope you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any videos. And now let's get on to this video. I am so excited to have this unboxing on my channel. As a small YouTuber, I mean, I have over 13,000 subscribers, which is an outrageous number, I know already, but I still consider myself kind of a small YouTuber, influencer, and even so, I am so grateful to have been able to work with a number of brands here on my channel and also on my Instagram. And today I have a very special one that I am so happy to announce, but Sigma Beauty reached out to me and wanted to partner with me. So I am now a partner with Sigma Beauty, which is so insane to me. And like I said, I am lucky enough to work with certain brands and I have a continuing relationship with most of them. So I am so happy to have this partnership with Sigma Beauty, which is a full-on cosmetics company. I don't have a relationship with any like full 100% cosmetic company. So I am so excited about this relationship. They sent me this box right here full of goodies and I've had it for more than a few weeks. So I'm finally getting to open it up and I wanted to do this unboxing on my channel because of just how excited I am to share this with you. Even though I've had this box for a little while, I just barely peeked into it and looked inside, but I haven't actually seen the product. Here is what everything that I have seen so far. They hand wrote this little letter to me, which is such a nice touch. It says, "Culture, welcome to the Sigma family. Enjoy your Sigma goodies, XO Shay." When I received their email, I for a second there thought it was a joke. Like, why would Sigma Beauty be reaching out to me? This has to be a mistake. So I read through the email, got a little bit excited, not gonna lie, and then I had to do some research to find out if it was a legitimate email because I was still thinking, like, I'm small fry. Why are they contacting me? So I looked up the person's contact email, looked them up on LinkedIn, found them on Instagram. They were already following me on Instagram and before I got the email. So I checked everything out. Everything checked out legitimate. And I was just screaming on the inside. I told my husband, it was just so exciting for me to realize that the real company actually contacted me and wanted to work with me. So let's go ahead and dive right in to see what they sent me, which goodies they sent me. Yes, okay. So here is everything on the inside. Look at that. So exciting. Okay, well, obviously the first thing I have to take out is this giant pink pad. This is Sigma Spa Express. This is a brush cleaning mat. It says small, convenient size. It has secure suction cups on the back so it doesn't move around when you're brushing. You can wash any of your brushes on here. There's 7 exclusive textures and it fits inside your sink. So you can just place it right in your sink and have the water running, then turn it off, put the soap down on the pad and then clean your brushes. So, oh my gosh. Underneath this brush cleaning mat, you guys, there's so much more stuff. I mean, look at this. Holy cow. I had no idea that there was all of this extra stuff underneath. I am like, seriously, like screaming inside. This is amazing. Okay, I did a little Insta stories, a few photos of everything in this box before I completely destroy it and open up everything. So yes, I should show you the mat. And now, I mean, I don't even know where to start. Okay, brushes. Let's do it with the brushes. Okay, so the first brush is this, oh my gosh, these brushes are amazing. Okay, this is a flat Kabuki brush. This is the F80 Air. I mean, their brushes are just, the quality is amazing. Cannot wait to use these. So yes, F80 Air. Okay, this is the F40 Large Angled Contour Brush. This is subtle cheek application angled with soft and round edges. Use the angle to softly contour the cheekbone. Can also be used to apply blush. The next one I have, oh, I love big fluffy brushes. This is the F30 Large Powder Brush. And then here is the E45 Small Tapered Blending Brush. Pick up the color with just the tip of the brush and apply intense colors to the crease to add depth and dimension to the eye. Next brush here is the F35 Tapered Highlighter Brush. This is a subtle highlighting, small and tapered with a precise tip. And then this brush here, this is E55 Eye Shading Brush. Okay, and then they even included this Sigma Brush Shampoo, which the packaging alone is stunning. And this is perfect to go with the brush cleaning mat. Okay, now diving into makeup is what I think I see is makeup. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so exciting. So exciting. All right, the first thing I'm gonna open up is this gorgeous looking palette. This is the Sigma Warm Neutrals Volume 2 eyeshadow palette. I mean, look at the back there. Already can tell this is going to be my new daily. Oh, so pretty. Look at all those beautiful warm tones right there. I will definitely be doing some makeup looks on my channel with this palette. This is, it's called Aura Powder, Face Powder. It's called Nymphea. I feel like that's how you pronounce it, right? Here's the back of it. Love their packaging. I've always loved their packaging. Oh, this is so pretty. All right, moving on to the next makeup boxes here. Okay, so this is called a Power Stick. Sigma Power Stick. I really don't know. Oh, in spades. I feel like maybe this is like an all-over. No, this is a Power Stick for the lips. All right, so here is the tube. Oh my gosh, this is such a pretty color. Gorgeous. So gorgeous. And I just realized that this lipstick tube is magnetic. I mean, genius. So cool. Now moving on to all of these goodies right here. I am so excited. I've got this tube of mascara. This is a Sinuosity Lash. Ooh, nice curved wand. So it says this is a curling mascara. Lashes curl upward and outward, creating an eye-opening effect with this mascara. Okay, moving on to these. Oh, look at the packaging. So all of these are eyeshadow bases. Base primer. Look at that. All right, so let's first open up this one. This is called Persuade. And it says, wear under pigments for an more intense, long-wearing color. This is in Persuade. So you can wear this alone or you can wear it underneath eyeshadow for more intense pigment. So pretty. This is in the shade Radiance. So pretty. All right. There she is. Nice and bright. All right, so the next one here is Ignite. Looks very similar to that one. So there's a mix of matte and shimmer. So this one here is matte and then this one is shimmer. And then Persuade is also a matte base primer. Moving on to, this is called Earthen, which this is most likely going to be a matte eyeshadow base primer. Yes, so it's a beautiful earthy matte color. Then I have two more here. This one is called Bubbly. Pretty sure Bubbly is also going to be a shimmer. Love it. This one's more pinky than the other ones. And then lastly, got this one in Sorbet. So pretty. Oh my gosh, you guys. All right, so that is it for my Sigma Beauty PR Welcome to the Family unboxing. I am so over the moon that they sent me all of these amazing products and wants me to be a part of their Sigma family. So look out for some videos coming up using all of these products, testing them out, letting you guys know my thoughts, and also some future videos coming up with more Sigma products. I hope you guys are excited for me as I am for myself, because this is a big deal. I mean, if you are an influencer or trying to be an influencer, if you're on YouTube and you're just trying to, you know, make your statement in this crazy social media world or in the beauty world itself or fashion or whatever, coming to this point where a huge company like Sigma Beauty reaches out to you and asks you if you want to be a part of their family, I mean, it's a huge deal. So thank you to Sigma. Thank you to all of you who support my channel and support me on Instagram and my other social media, because without you, I wouldn't have this like tiny little footprint in this beauty world. So I am so grateful. I can't wait to bring you guys more videos, lots of looks with these products. So with that, I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.